7.1 lesson 7 perimeter and area. Number 1 sum. Some figures are given to us and we have to find out the perimeter. Now what do we see here? We see that the opposite sides are equal. The opposite sides are equal and the shape is of rectangle. So perimeter of rectangle, what is the formula? 2 into length plus breadth. So 2 into, what is the length? The length here is 8 and the breadth is 3. So 2 into 12 is equals to 22 meters. So this is the answer. Now the second shape, we can see from the shape, this is a square. Here all the sides are equal. So perimeter of square is equals to 4 into L. So 4 into length of one side, that is 12. That means all the sides will be of equal length since it is a square. Now 4 into 12 is equals to 48 centimeter. Now we come to sums number C. Now what is the shape here? Again here we see that the opposite sides are equal. So these two sides are 5 centimeter and these two sides are 15 centimeter. So again the formula will be 2 into length plus breadth. That is equals to 2 into 5 plus 2 into 5 plus 15. That is equals to 2 into 20 and that is equals to 40 centimeter. So again we come to sums number D. Now in sums number D, again we see that this is a square. All the sides are equal. So the formula will be perimeter is equals to 4 into length of one side. So 4 into 8, that is equals to 32 meters. So these are the sums of number 1. Now we will start sums number 2. Now children, exercise 7.1, question number 2. Now in this question we can see some triangles are given. So we have to find the perimeter of all these triangles. So let me show you this page. The starting page, it shows some diagrams. Perimeter of triangle. So here we can see scalene triangle, equilateral triangle and isosceles triangle. Now scalene triangle is such a triangle in which all the sides are not equal. And the perimeter is A plus B plus C. That means plus all the sides. Now equilateral triangle is a triangle in which all the sides are equal. So the formula is P is equals to 3 into A units. Again isosceles triangle is a triangle in which the two sides are equal and the base angle is not equal. So it is twice A plus B. So this three formula is in the first page and you please go through this paragraph very nicely and it is very easy. Now let us come to the board. When I see this triangle, one side is 4, one side is 3 and one side is 5. So what type of triangle is this one? This is a scalene triangle. So how will I find the perimeter? So it is very simple. U plus the measurement of all the three sides. That is 4 centimeter plus 3 centimeter plus 5 centimeter and that is equals to how much? 12 centimeter. Now again this triangle is what type of triangle? In here all the sides are 4 centimeter. That means it is an equilateral triangle. So when it is an equilateral triangle, so the formula is 3 into A. So that means 3 into length of one side and so that means the perimeter is 4 centimeter. Now come to the third triangle. Here we can see the two sides are equal and the base line is not equal. So this is an isosceles triangle. So now what we have to do here? Here the formula of this is what? We will plus all the three sides. So when you plus all the three sides, you will get the answer as 127 point this one. or you can even use the formula as twice into A plus B. So in this way also, if you do the sum, that is 2 into 32 mm plus your B is 63 point this one. So then also you will get this answer, that is 127.5 millimeter. So this is the sum. Now we will go to sum number 3.